It's a cart where we can put our food that we haven't ate and we just don't want to eat it. Other people can get food from there if they want some.
That's a place to not waste food.
Like, say we have hot dogs one day and everyone likes hot dogs, but we're first in line, so we're like, can we get 2 hot dogs? So we can't get 2 hot dogs because people are behind us, so we get 1, and we go check in the share bin because people leave food in there that they don't want to eat.
When I use it, I put my food on the table, and then sometimes I grab some fruit.
If you eat it, you can't put it back because it's already ate it. Put food that we didn't open or eat.
People take great care when they were growing that food, so we need to take care how we pass that food on to others or share it with others.
I think it's good to have a share table because if we didn't have one, we would always have to throw it to the trash, and that's just waste of food.
Kids, like, if they don't have any lunch, they can just, like, go to the share table and get some.
It's a good thing that kids are not just, like, throwing it because that's just disrespectful for the people that made it. There's sometimes grapes that I really like, so I get them.
So when I go check, I always find like some raisins, and lots of people don't like raisins, but I'm a person that does.
What I like is nachos. That's my favorite.